Hi friends, in this video I will talk about the 4 simple tips which will help you in your life to become a great person. So our first tip is the 3, 2 and 1 rule. Before you do the procrastination, count 3, 2, 1 and act. Don't wait for the motivation. It will give you a inner motivation. So our second tip is dopamine detox. As we know that today's social media is one of the most important distractions which help in us far from our goal. So it is important we have to take a break of one day in a week from the social media, and we have to reset our brain.
Our third tip is mirror talk.
Like we are aware that mirror talk is one of the important thing, and the initial phase we are not confident and shy. So we have to speak in front of the mirror these lines that I am not perfect but I am progressing. So our fourth and last technique is micro wins daily. We have to write one thought every day before we go to sleep. So thank you for this video. We will meet again in next video. So thank you and have a nice day.